You sat down to get something done, and within 5 minutes, you checked your phone, got distracted by a random thought, maybe stared at the wall for a second, and now you can't even remember what you were trying to do in the first place. That feeling right there, that's not laziness. That's not a character flaw. That is what happens when your brain has been running on empty for a long time, and nobody ever showed you how to actually fix it. And here's what makes it worse. Most people spend years trying to push through it, trying harder, setting more alarms, downloading more apps, and still ending the day feeling like they got nothing done, like time just slipped through their fingers again. If that sounds familiar, stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through a simple daily routine that is going to change the way your brain actually works. And no, it's not a supplement, it's not an expensive program, it doesn't require a gym or an hour of free time you don't have. It's 4 steps, less than 20 minutes a day, and it actually works. There's also one part of this that most people completely miss. I'll get to it in a minute, because once you see it, everything starts to make sense in a way it probably hasn't before. Let's go. Step 1, the 5-minute morning brain primer. Here's the mistake almost everyone makes first thing in the morning. They grab their phone. And the second you do that, before you've even had a sip of water, before you've even taken a full breath, you've handed control of your brain to someone else. You're already reacting to other people's worlds before you've decided anything about your own day. And that sets the tone for everything that follows. Most people don't even realize this is happening, but it is, every single morning. So starting tomorrow, try this instead. Before you touch your phone, give yourself just 5 minutes. You've got 3 options, and you only need to pick one. Option 1, deep breathing. Breathe in for 4 counts, hold for 4, breathe out for 6. Do that 5 times. It takes less than 2 minutes, and it tells your nervous system to calm down and get ready to focus, instead of staying in that low-level panic most of us wake up in. Option 2. Write down the one most important thing you need to do today. Just one. Your brain now has a target instead of a fog. That single shift changes how your whole morning feels. Option 3. Take a short walk outside with no headphones, no podcast, no music, just 5 minutes of fresh air and silence. Stanford researchers found that walking, even indoors, boosts creative thinking by more than 80%. Pick one. Do it every single morning. That is step 1. Simple, but most people have never tried it consistently, and that gap is usually where the focus problem starts. Step 2. The focus block method. Here's what most people get completely wrong about focus. They think the goal is to concentrate for as long as possible, power through, push harder, just force yourself to do it. But your brain does not work like a machine. It has natural rhythms, and when you try to grind through for 2 or 3 hours straight, your brain eventually goes on strike. You end up staring at the screen, reading the same sentence 5 times, and feeling like something is seriously wrong with you. And this is the part most people don't even realize is happening. It's not a motivation problem. It's not a discipline problem. It's a biology problem. You're working against your own brain and wondering why it's not working. That's why even when you try harder, it doesn't fully work. Nothing is wrong with you. You're just using the wrong approach. Here is what actually works. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. That's it. This is called the Pomodoro technique, and the science behind it is real and well documented. During those 25 minutes, phone face down, one task only, one browser tab open. And here's the most important part. Tell yourself, I only have to do this for 25 minutes. When your brain knows there's an end in sight, the resistance drops, it stops fighting you. That small mental reframe makes a bigger difference than most people expect. If you're brand new to this, start with just one block a day, one focused 25-minute session. That's your only goal to start. Build the habit first. The productivity follows naturally. Step 3. Feed your brain, not just your stomach. I'm not here to overhaul your diet. I just need to tell you one thing that makes a massive difference, and most people never connect the dots on this. What you eat in the morning directly controls how focused you feel before noon. That's not an opinion, that's blood sugar science. If your breakfast is sugary cereal, a pastry, a gas station snack, or nothing at all, your blood sugar is going to spike and crash within an hour. And a blood sugar crash feels exactly like an inability to focus, brain fog, irritability, that heavy, tired feeling where nothing sounds appealing and everything feels like too much. That's usually where people start reaching for more coffee, or their phone, or just giving up on the day by 11 in the morning. Here's the simple fix. Add protein and healthy fat to your morning. Eggs, peanut butter on toast, Greek yogurt, a handful of nuts, even a protein shake counts. You don't need a perfect meal, you just need something that keeps your blood sugar stable. And drink a full glass of water before your coffee. Your brain is about 75% water. Even mild dehydration, the kind where you don't even feel thirsty yet, makes it harder to concentrate, harder to remember things, and harder to stay calm under pressure. Protein, healthy fat, water before coffee. That is step 3. And honestly, I didn't even realize how much this was affecting me until I actually tried it consistently. Step 4, protect your sleep tonight to protect your focus tomorrow. Most people treat focus like it's a morning problem, but focus actually starts the night before. Because without quality sleep, none of these other steps are going to work the way they should. Sleep is when your brain literally cleans itself, processes everything from the day, and resets so you can show up the next morning. And here is what is quietly destroying millions of people's sleep every single night without them knowing it. Screens before bed. The blue light from your phone tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime. It suppresses melatonin, the hormone that signals your body it's time to sleep. So even if you're in bed by 10, your brain might not be ready to actually shut down until midnight or later, and you wake up the next morning already behind, already foggy, already running on less than you need. The fix is not never use your phone at night. That's not realistic, and I'm not going to pretend it is. The fix is this: set a 30-minute phone-free window right before you sleep. Put it in another room, flip it over, whatever works for you. Instead, read something light, do some gentle stretching, or just write down anything that's bouncing around in your head. Get it out of your brain and onto paper so your mind can actually let go and rest. This one habit alone can dramatically improve your sleep quality. And better sleep means better focus, better mood, and more energy every single day. This is way more common than people think, and most people are just one small change away from sleeping better than they have in years. Now here's the part I want to pause on for a second, because I've been testing something on top of this routine, something simple, something I didn't fully understand at first, but couldn't ignore once I started noticing results. I couldn't fit it all into this video without making it way too long, but if you want to know what it is, just message me the word brain on Instagram. I'll send it to you directly, no catch. This is just where it really starts to make a difference for most people, and I'd rather show you there than rush through it here. Okay, let's recap what we covered. 4 steps. In the morning, 5 minutes before you touch your phone, breathe, write, or walk. Pick one. During your work, use focus blocks. 25 minutes on, 5 minutes off. Start with just one block. At breakfast, add protein and healthy fat. Drink water before your coffee. At night, 30 minutes without your phone before bed. Protect your sleep. That is the routine. Simple, free, backed by real science, and genuinely life-changing when you actually stick to it. Now here's the part I really want you to hear before you go. A lot of people watching this right now have spent years believing they just aren't a focused person, that their brain doesn't work right, that everyone else has it figured out and they're somehow the only one still struggling. If that's you, please hear me when I say this. You are not broken. You are not behind. You just haven't had the right tools yet. And now you do. But here's the truth about tools. They only work if you actually pick them up. So don't just watch this, don't just save it, don't just nod and scroll on. Tomorrow morning, before you grab your phone, take 5 deep breaths. That is all I'm asking. 5 breaths. That one small moment is you telling your brain, I am in charge now. And once you feel that, even once, everything starts to shift. If this helped you, share it with someone who needs it. You probably already know someone who's been saying they just can't focus lately. Send it to them. Drop a comment and tell me which step you're starting with. I read every single one. And if you want to try what I've been testing, just message BRAIN on my Instagram. I'll send it straight to you. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself.